Rounding to a certain number of significant figures is just another form of approximation. There are two kinds of numbers that we've got to deal with, and those are numbers which are larger than 1 and those numbers that are less than 1. So we'll do this through example. So let's look at the first example, which is rounded to one significant figure, 45,931. The first significant figure is the first non-zero digit. In this case, it's the 4. So we're either going to use 4 for that first digit, and that digit, because it's an approximation, that must stay in the same place, so we fill in the rest of the places with 0, or 5. So 40,000 or 50,000. We look at the next digit, and if it's a 5 or more, we take the bigger number. So our answer is 50,000. Now let's look at the next question, the 0.0000000000849. Well, the first significant figure is the first digit which is not a 0, which in this case is the 8. And then we look at the next digit to see whether we round up or keep it the same. So in this case, we're going to keep it the same because it's 4 or less. So it's just 0.00000000008. So let's look at this next two questions round into two significant figures. So the first one, we're going to do 59 followed by the zeros, which are needed to keep the 5 and 9 in the correct place for their place value. And then we go the next one up, which is 60, followed by the zeros to keep them in the right place. We look at the next digit along. Now if it's 5 or more, we round up. So the answer is 60,000. So in this case, two significant figures. The first significant figure is the first non-zero. The next significant figure is just the next one along. So it's either 0.00050 or 0.00051. We look at the next one along, and if it's 5 or more, we round up. So that's our answer. Now we've got 4 questions for you to try. We want these 2 questions done to one significant figure and these 2 questions done to 2 significant figures. If you want to pause the video, you can, and then I'll give you the answers shortly. Okay, so this first one is either going to be 400 or 500. Well, it's a 5, so we round up, so the answer is 500. This one's going to be 0.0009. or 1 bigger, 0.00, we'll add in 1 onto 9, gives us 10, 1, 0. Well, it's a 6, so we round up, so we take the bigger number, 0.0010. This one here to 2 significant figures, it's going to be 30,000 or 31,000. That next digit is a 5, so we take the bigger value, so it's going to be 310,000. So this next one is 0.0058 or 0.0059, but this is a 4, so it's not 5 or less, so we take the smaller number, 0.0058. So now we have some questions for you to try. Good luck, see how you do, and discuss your answers with a friend. I hope you found this helpful.